In the Wish Bus interview with SB19 Pablo, he shared that one of the main reasons for releasing their music was to inspire others to keep moving forward in life, to muster the strength to face life's adversities, and to motivate others to pursue their dreams. This is the legacy he wants to leave for their fans. He even mentioned, "It doesn't matter if people can't remember me, as long as they remember the songs and feel motivated by listening to them." This just proves how Pablo loves his fans, and how selfless he is.
So, ako po kasi, yun nga, katulad na nabanggit nyo, movement siya. Parang, it's an ideology na gusto kong tumatak or ma-instill sa mga tao. Kahit di na nila maalala si Pablo. Pero pag nadidinig nila yung mga kanta ko, yung awitin ko, parang daladan nila yung lakas ng loob, yung, di ba, kinuwento ko yung journey ko through my music. Gusto ko, kapag nakikinig sila nun, napupulot nila yung kung may learnings man na natutunan, lalakas yung loob nila, kung may mga gusto nang gawin sa buhay, yung mga pinagdaanan ko, yung mga mistakes ko, matuto sila doon kahit di pa nila naranasan. So, yun lang talaga, yung parang tumatak yung mga salita na sinasabi ko, and magbigay ng lakas ng loob sa kanila na gawin, pursue yung mga bagay na gusto nilang gawin sa buhay. Kasi yun na yun eh. Parang, yun na yung fulfillment na meron ka as an artist, na yung makita mo na yung mga awitin mo talagang sinasapuso ng mga tao, talagang nabubuhayan sila or parang nagiging inspirasyon nila pagdating sa mga kanya-kanya nilang buhay.
Very beautifully put right there. So, music para maging mas determinado.
Yes.
Yung mga makikinig. And Determinado is the first song that you have for us this evening. So are you ready to warm up the Wish 107.5 bus and your set right here on the Road Show?
Yeah, let's go!
Alrighty, so without further ado,